losing shit out when I'm trying to clean.
Any new boys in your life?
Hello world! It's Adelia and welcome back into another exciting vlog. Mark wasn't here for most of it. He went to Big Bear. I just want to remind you all that you guys are amazing. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking and commenting and subscriing. And everybody's just so sweet. I can't say that enough. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, Mark's gone. He went to Big Bear. I have the whole apartment to myself. What? So I thought of something hilarious to do. What's up? Mark Dohner'S here in the house. I don't know. I look like a guy. All right, guys. Stream my song, Bad Season, iTunes, Spotify, whatever you find. You know what I mean? Stream it. It's dope. And someone hit my car. Keep my car. But I got white Vans. I got my new white Vans. And nobody is gonna get these babies dirty. Nobody. Adelia, Jess. Good morning, Los Angeles! All right, guys, be positive, be happy, be you. Stream my song. Ugh. Another meal. Broccoli, chicken.
Mark, are you in here?
Yo, here, I wrote this new song right here.
All right, heck yeah.
Do you think about me when you're lying to fall asleep? Woo, woo.
That was really good. I think it's gonna be a hit song for sure.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Stream it, like it, go listen to it.
Share, subscribe, he'll repost for sure.
100%.
Yeah, chain, yep.
Got the white van. Where the ladies at, huh? Olivia. She's a little bit of a cuckoo head. We are gonna go to the store. We're gonna get some food. We gonna have a girls' night.
Oh my god! What drink is that?
Oh no!
Here's a hanger. These really cool glasses. Water. Oh, McDonald's.
Hey.
Hand sanitizer. A receipt. Another glove.
Olivia, stop. We cannot do that in front of people. What are we getting? Oh my God. Let me see your backpack. I'm pretty sure something in the city is caught on fire. Do you smell that? Ew. Oh my gosh.
Go that way.
What's good? What's happening? This is Mark's shirt. Looks better on me. Anyways, we are making some dinner. We have a little cheese platter going. But wow, look at this beautiful view though. But that sunset though. Ooh, that cheesy goodness.
wait. Hold on.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna feel the diarrhea coming out to your book. I was gonna say. I'm about to shit my pants. Got the goods. See the goods? See the goods? Did you get the goods?
Clearly one of us has.
We are going to Thailand! Oh wait, need to get my pants. Get my pants. I'm so excited. There's so many colors and a lot of bands. I don't know if I tie-dye this with an MTV shirt. I doubt it that expensive. So I'm gonna do this one for Mark and one of his stupid white beaters and this white I found, my little sweatshirt and Olivia's pants. We are gonna tie-dye one of my crop tops, one for Mark, and Olivia's sweatpants.
Drunk or something? You just squirt it on there.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
look at my hands.
I know.
Should I put the gloves on?
Yeah, because your hands are gonna be stained.
Really?
Yes. Wait, what is that?
What the fuck is this? An apron. Fucking apron. We are ready to go. Do I go like this? Pretty. Tap.
And it's also gonna like absorb after a while, so like.
Just gonna go all out. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, 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 tap. More blue.
That looks so bad.
Really? I'm just doing what the heart feels, you know? Oh yeah. For me, we're doing greens and purples. Pew, pew, pew.
Any new boys in your life? No comment?
No comment. I'm single as a Pringle.
Adelia Clark, who are you dating? Please answer the question.
Me, myself, and I, baby.
Are you Snapchatting anyone? Who was the last one who
I
makes
thought
their
this
child?
was gonna be lavender.
You've never done anything bad when you were little?
No, this is like completely off topic, but we were at this like family party, friends and family party, and I saw these 2 little like glasses, right? And I was like, oh my god, water. Because I was so thirsty, dude, and I chugged the shot, and it was vodka. I was like 10, and I freaked out. This is why I'm an alcoholic.
Yeah.
See the inside, it's just like not done. Ow! I reach for that one every time. And then you were the ugliest colors to pick. Feed yourself.
Yeah, Pete. So basically,
Honestly, it's gonna look good though. To be honest, I think it's gonna look really cool.
yeah, mine is that stain right there.
All look.
All right, now be careful of the most prized, delicate possession. But like, I would kind of want my pants to be pretty much all soaked because like they're gray.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You poop on that. Poop. Oh yeah. Poop. Oh yeah. Cool. This actually is really cool. It's like kind of orangey because the
Yeah. Mark is gonna kill us.
He's actually gonna murder me. Oh my god, I have to clean this up. I tie-dyed and I hope it comes out okay. Oh man, I have it everywhere. God dang it. We're gonna show you what they look like tomorrow because we have to let them soak in that juicy paint and we'll be back. Okay, so it's a next day and I put the tie-dye stuff in the washer and dryer today. I'm actually wearing one of them. How are you? So my sweatshirt, dope, one of his tees. I don't know if he's gonna like that. And another one of his. Honestly, I did a pretty okay job. And then her sweatpants. You look good. Yeah, they look actually really cool. Guys, this sweatshirt is so cute. I'm so proud of myself. Adelia's Blue Moon, leaving that shit out. What else? Adelia, why keep leaving shit out when I'm trying to clean? Ugh, soap left out every time. Stuff in the sink. Just always leave shit out. Ugh, now gotta help Adelia edit her video. Hi everybody, I just wanted to get on here to have a little chat, kind of letting everybody know what's been going on in my life recently. I know you guys see all the cool and happy things on my vlog, but I just want to give you the gist of kind of what's been going on. Mark did invite me to Big Bear this weekend and I unfortunately said no. I kind of just wanted the weekend to myself, just have me time. So he was super sweet and gave his apartment keys to me so I could stay at his apartment for the weekend. My sister also has been going through kind of a tough time this week. A good friend of hers, his name is Corey. If anybody heard, he did pass away. He was also a YouTuber. She's been going through that lately, so I kind of want to give her some space while I'm at Mark's. Just kind of be there for her also. And my friend Olivia also was really good friends with Corey, and we kind of had like a girls' night on Saturdays, and just want to have me time, reflect on life and just everything that's been going on. Everything's okay. Everybody's just kind of healing at the moment. All we can do is move forward, and that's what's gonna keep happening. I also just want to say thank you to everybody that has been so great watching my vlogs, being so sweet and kind. Yeah, all the comments, I read every one of them. They do not go unnoticed. So thank you again. I love every one of you. And yeah. All right, Mark is back. You're so good.
You did a really good job.
Thank you.
How long did it take?
Literally not long at all. Let me see the back. It's like half and half. Yeah, love it.
Yours looks sick. I actually thought like I wouldn't have been able to tell that you did this. I thought it was like came like that.
Good. That's the point. Did you miss me?
Oh my.
Oh my god, that's so sweet.
You guys slept in my bed? I had 2 bitches in my bed without me? Damn, that's wild.
Yeah. Thank you for watching Adelia's vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Also, go stream my song, Bad Season. It is a dope one. I should probably go tell Adelia to say bye. So, say bye! Bye!